Video 824. Look at this. We got some fucking feedback. Look at those monochrome graphics. Okay, let's get into the source code before we run out of time here. So in Arco shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, which is our bombs for draw shader inside of the main entry point, inside of the let the motherfucker burn loop, if we go down here inside of what's my fire tile, we have a guard around this logic right here now. So if we already have a Femi tile, then we don't want to re-enter this branch because we could potentially erase our Femi tile data for the frontmost Femi tile. So this logic is still the same, and also we need the internal local coordinate within the Femi tile. That's what this is. And we also need the magnitude in discrete units of the Femi tile that we've selected. So we need this in order to get the correct XY pixel out of the Femi tile graphic that we're going to render. Okay, so this was a bug fix right here in the green here, in the dirty olive green here. Okay, so down here, beneath our graph paper rendering code in the section where we're rendering the selected Femi tile, I was thinking about changing this. I'm not going to change this yet. We're going to stay hard-coded to map exponent 0 for now. And this equation was wrong. I fixed the bug. So this was a division. This needed to be a minus in order to localize this 0 to 335 value into a range 0 to 47 inclusive. So this is fixed. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So composite sample. So we're going to take our Femi lum and we're going to cast it into a float 32, divide it by 255 to get a normalized color 0 to 1. Float 32 lum. Then we're going to take that float 32 lum and we're going to multiply blend it with the background grid. Now here's some debugging code that just checks if certain things are out of range, and if they are, we set the error BFG flag, which will cause red pixels to be set on the screen. This is no longer happening. We're not running into any trouble, but I just kept this code here for now because I'm not comfortable with the code just yet. Okay, then in the conomic data section within, not conomic data section, the conomic function section within the EVT function section here, we have the terminal key section where we do Konami key arrows plus a letter or a number, and we've added a change to the pig tile enumeration procedure. After we generate the placeholder graphics, we want to do a force update of the GPU memory so we can see the results right away. So that's all we've done. Now, if you want a longer explanation, go to Ninja Playlist 9. You are on Kanji Playlist 9, and there's ways of getting a hold of me down here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am out of time.